Hey, it's Greg here, and let's talk about the most talked about thing going on in real estate right now, and that's competing as a buyer with other buyers. I mean, virtually every listing right now is getting multiple offers. The inventory is shrinking every month right now. It's very frustrating for buyers. It's very frustrating for agents. And I am seeing that every day on both sides. So I want to share with you some things that we're doing to help our buyers compete and win at a high level in this market. One thing is to remove contingencies. This is not going to be an option for everyone all the time. Things like appraisal if you're getting a mortgage, inspections, whether that's a termite report or a home inspection. Sounds scary possibly, but I'm seeing it all the time. Is it cash or financing? Do you have access to cash short term? Is that a family member, a grandparent, an uncle, a retirement account that has cash that you can take and then put it back with no penalty in certain time periods? That exists. If you come in as a cash buyer, you increase your odds of winning tenfold right now in this market. I hate to say it, but it's the truth. If it is financing, you want to have a proof of funds for the balance. If you're putting 20% down, have that proof of funds. Also, have the lender call the listing agent. You can't disclose a lot of private information, but have that lender call the listing agent. Tell them that's a strong candidate. We've got a good buyer here. They've provided all the information we've asked for them. And I think the big thing right now is hiring an experienced agent. Experience matters. You know, we've been in the good times and the bad times in this market. I'm coaching my agents to do some things that are definitely helping our buyers win. For instance, you know, our agents are talking to the listing agent and finding out what's important to their seller. If we can present an offer to the seller as far as terms go, do they need to rent back for 60, 90 days? Do they need a delayed closing date? What's important to them? That information can help us present that to the buyer, and we can write an offer that'll help us win. So if you've got questions, there's a lot. This is the tip of the iceberg. We're constantly doing new things to help our buyers win. Call me if you want to talk about it. Talk to you next time.